Sometimes, after an argument, we think that I should have said this, but my mind just went blank. Or in relationship, when there's a constant heated conversation between two people, one partner just goes quiet and the other person starts wondering and feeling like they are not being cared or feeling frustrated as why the person is not talking. So why do we shut down during an argument? Okay, so let's understand what actually happened. So when the conversation starts getting very overwhelming, the brain activates this fight, flight, and freeze response. So the mind starts feeling very unsafe during that conversation, and to protect it, it goes in a shutdown mode and it goes completely blank. So another important thing is during a conflict, emotions are very high. So some people just get angry during the conversation, or some starts crying, and some just freeze or just shut down and be quiet. And that's a response because there's too much emotions to handle at once. And for some people, silence is not just a response but also a type of survival habit, especially if they have grown up in a loud, unpredictable environment. Hormones play a major role in this. So during stress, cortisol and adrenaline, which is responsible for fight and flight response, that becomes very high, and that reduces the ability to think clearly. And that's when people say that, okay, I was not sure what to say, my mind went completely blank. Sometimes people don't go quiet because they don't care, but because their brain is so overwhelmed that they feel that silence is much safer than escalating a fight. And then when we understand these things, it becomes a little easier to understand each other and to nurture our relationships with compassion.